An interface is used to enforce certain properties on an object. We can create an interface by following the below syntax. Interface space interface name, and within the curly braces we can mention all the properties and method declarations. Whenever this interface is implemented on an object, the compiler will automatically enforce the object to implement all the properties and methods declared in the interface.
I am creating an interface with name student. Interface space student open braces close braces, and then I'm defining a property ID which is of number data type, property name which is of string data type, and property age which is again of number data type. So after creating the interface student, I'm going to declare a function name print student info. So I'm saying let print student info equal to function, and which is going to accept a variable as parameter. The variable name is info, which is going to be of the type student. I'm going to print the student information on the console. So in line number 8, I'm printing the student ID by saying console.log info.id. In line number 9, I'm saying console.log info.name. So I'm going to print the student name. In line number 10, I'm saying console.log info.age. So basically this function is going to print the student ID, name and age. I'm declaring a variable stu which is going to be of the student interface type. So the interface property ID is going to hold the value 1 which is of number data type, and the name is going to be of string data type. The value is James. I'm also assigning a value for the property age as 44. The next line, I'm calling the function print student info and passing the interface object stu. Now I'm going to run the program. In the terminal window, I'm typing tse space myapp.ts, which will create a myapp.js file. Now I say in the terminal window node space myapp.js. So I got the output I required. The student ID is 1, name is James, and age is 44. I'm going to delete the myapp.js file. And now I'm going to remove the age property from the stu object declaration. In the problems window, I'm getting the error property age is missing in the type. It is required in the type student. Right. Now I'm going to restore the line 16 with value 43. Now the error is gone. So in TypeScript, whenever we use a interface, we have to specify the value for all the properties defined in the interface. If we do not specify the value for any of the properties defined in the interface, then we will get a compiler error.